Are you an immigrant dreaming of a vibrant career and contributing your skills in the United States? Understanding how to legally work here is a crucial step towards building that new life. Essentially, an immigrant gets a United States work permit by obtaining a specific type of immigration status that allows employment. This document, officially known as an Employment Authorization Document, or EAD, confirms your legal ability to work for any employer in the United States, as long as your underlying immigration status remains valid. The core mechanism behind getting a work permit is directly tied to your immigration classification. Not every visa or immigration status grants work authorization automatically. For example, if you are a green card holder, meaning a lawful permanent resident, you already have inherent work authorization. However, many non-immigrant visas, like those for students or tourists, do not permit employment without a separate application and approval. The United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS, is the primary agency responsible for reviewing and approving these applications, ensuring that each applicant meets specific eligibility criteria based on their current immigration standing. To apply for an EAD, you typically need to file Form I-765, Application for Employment Authorization. With USCIS, this form asks for details about your immigration status and why you qualify for work authorization. Common categories of eligibility include being an asylee or refugee, having a pending adjustment of status application for a green card, being granted temporary protected status, or holding certain non-immigrant visas like an H-4 dependent visa. You will need to gather supporting documents, such as your identity documents, proof of your immigration status, and often a copy of your most recent I-9 for arrival or departure record. Make sure all your information is accurate and consistent across all documents, as any discrepancies can cause delays. One interesting detail about the EAD is that it is not simply a permit to work, but also functions as a primary form of identification accepted by employers for the I-9 employment eligibility verification process. This makes it an incredibly important document for any non-citizen wishing to be employed. Also, it is vital to remember that an EAD has an expiration date, and you must apply to renew it well in advance to avoid any interruption in your ability to work legally. Knowing your specific eligibility category is key to a smooth application process. By understanding the direct link between your immigration status and work authorization, you empower yourself to navigate the process effectively. Focusing on securing the correct immigration path that allows for an EAD, and then meticulously preparing your application, means you can confidently pursue employment opportunities, contribute your talents, and build a successful life in the United States.
If this speaks to you, like, subscribe, and share your story.